Good afternoon, Durham. I'm Jenkins, Director of the Durham County Department of Public Health. This week, we hosted our first walk-in vaccination clinic, planned other walk-in opportunities, and Governor Roy Cooper made important announcements about rolling back critical COVID safety measures. Today, I will discuss these topics. Yesterday and today, we opened our vaccination clinic for the first of many walk-in days. Now that more vaccination locations are available, our schedule has allowed us to create this new option for all of you. We are pleased that the first walk-in days were a resounding success, and we plan to host more walk-in days next week. We hope that this makes it easier for you to receive your vaccination when you are ready and willing. But if you prefer to schedule your appointment in advance, you can still do so by calling our appointment line at 919-560-HELP, H-E-L-P. That's 919-560-4357. Our scheduling process is faster than ever, with many receiving same-day appointments. As always, these vaccinations are free and open to anyone ages 16 and older. Stay tuned to our website, social media, and subscribe for email updates at decopublichealth.org/COVID19 emails with an S to be sure you're up to date when more walk-in opportunities become available. This week, Governor Roy Cooper announced several future changes in COVID-19 safety measures. Among these changes, he announced that he expects to be able to lift all mandatory social distancing, capacity, and mass gathering restrictions by June 1st. I'd like to talk more about what this means and what it does not mean. This news means that if we continue staying safe, getting vaccinated, and seeing declining trends in our case rates, Governor Cooper believes we should be able to lift mandates by June 1st. This does not mean the pandemic is over. We will see these mandates lifted only if we continue staying safe and getting vaccinated in the coming month. Next week, Governor Cooper plans to announce safety measures that will be in place in May. It will be very important to continue following this guidance in order to keep yourselves and others safe. Remember that masks are still required. As of now, about 1/3 of North Carolina's adults have been fully vaccinated. Governor Cooper has indicated that he will begin considering lifting mask mandates when this number increases to 2/3 of North Carolina's adults being fully vaccinated. As explained in the state's new Bringing Back Summer campaign, we want to put this pandemic behind us and enjoy summer safely, doing the things that we love. We can only do that by staying as safe as possible and getting more people vaccinated. It's easier than ever to take your shot with new walk-in options, same-day appointments, and more vaccination locations than ever. Visit our website at decopublichealth.org/COVID vaccine appointments to learn more about appointments and other vaccine locations. By following safety guidelines, getting vaccinated, and encouraging our friends and family to get their shot, we are doing our part to bring summer back. We can do this, Durham.